In this video I'll show you how you can fix any Facebook login problems with PUBG. So the first step you can try is to unlink and relink your Facebook account. So the way to do that is to actually go to the mobile settings in PUBG and from there unlink your Facebook account and then try and restart the game again and link it again. The second method you can try is to actually clear the app cache. So what you can go ahead and do is go to the settings on your mobile, then apps and PUBG, go to storage, clear cache and then delete cache. You can try clear data as well, but keep in mind that you will lose all your progress and information. The third method you can try is to go and look whether or not there's an update available for PUBG that prevents you from logging in properly, or else you can try and reinstall PUBG again. Now the fourth method you can try is to actually check the Facebook app and permissions to check whether or not PUBG is actually connected to your Facebook account. So you're gonna go to your Facebook account, you're then gonna go to the Facebook settings, apps and websites, and you can see that my PUBG is actually there. But if you don't see PUBG in there, you should try and disconnect your Facebook account with PUBG and reconnect it again.